So we are now going to do just a few set of labs to be able to understand the different types of features which are available to us. And for that, I'm going to start with lab number 5.9. So lab number 5.9 requires you to log in as in TTY3 terminal, log in as the root, and then run DNF install ncompress FKS. Now the other thing we need to do is we need to download a folder. Go ahead and I'm going to start with here. Okay. We are going to clear the screen and there just to check where we are. After that, we are going to do git clone https github.com JSON Eckert class files .git. And if you notice now, there is a new folder called class files, which is created for us. Now I will cd into the class files folder. Then I will just show you that there is a file called big file. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do compress in verbose mode -v big file. Similarly, just like I have compressed, you can see that the compression ratio is 54.49. I can use the command uncompress big file and I can again uncompress the big file. Every time I compress it, the name of the big file changed to .z extension. If I unzipped it, it became back to the big file. All right, so once I unzipped it, it became back to the big file. Similarly, I can do zip in verbose mode, big file .zip, big file. And here, if you noticed earlier, the size of my big file was 14K. Now, when I look at the size of my big file .zip, it is 4.8K. I can once again unzip big file .zip. It is saying replace the big file. I'm going to say yes. And I'm back to having the big file in the same 14K format. I can also use the gzip command. So I can say gzip -v. I can provide a compression ratio of -9. Put in big file. And when I do that, there is a new file created, which is big file.gz, which is smaller than the big file.zip. I can also use xz. and provide a compression ratio to it. And when I do that, okay, all right, I first need to unzip it. So I'm going to do gunzip big file dot gz. And when I do that, after that, when I run the xz command, I should be able to go ahead and get a better. So when I do now an ls, you can see that I have got a xz file, which is even smaller in size than the gz file. I can use an xz big file dot xz. The last of this, which is very useful, is called bzip2 -v big file. Once again, if I look at the size, it has reduced the size further. Unzipping requires me to use bzip2 big file bz2, and I should get back the original file. All right, so this is your exercise number 5.9.